Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the C minor chord on the keyboard or the piano. First, locate your root note, the note C. Play this with your first finger. Locate your next note, the note E flat. Play this with your third finger. Locate your last note, the note G. Play this with your fifth finger. There you have it, the C minor chord. Now, because the C minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. The first inversion, or the root inversion, we already have this one. It's called the root inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. To find our next inversion, simply move the bottom note C all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This one is called C minor first inversion. To get our next inversion, again simply move the bottom note all the way to the top, like this. This is called C minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we do one more inversion of the chord, moving the bottom note all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at root inversion of the chord, right? Just like the one we started with, only 1 octave higher. Now we can of course do this backwards as well, or downwards on the piano. This is C minor root inversion. Move the top note to the bottom, like this. This is C minor second inversion. Again, move the top note to the bottom. C minor first inversion, and one more time, top note to the bottom, C minor root inversion. Now let's do it one more time. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, and back to root inversion. And the other way, this is root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion again. Now to practice your inversions, simply do like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, and root. Now lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice your inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the C minor chord, or the C minor triad. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. If you want more free piano chord stuff, how about a free piano chord chart, or a free chord inversion crash course, or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.